Hey y'all, I'm Jeremiah from MarineMax Sarasota. Today we're on board our 2019 Sea Ray 280 SLX. There are just some things in life that are destined to have an incredible reputation, and like the Cadillacs of old, this boat is exactly that. This 280 SLX is a boat that I've ordered custom for customers, that I've seen out on the water repeatedly, and is one of those boats that really won me over for a sandbar boat. It is so comfortable. And on top of being comfortable, this boat has a bunch of little details that either help make your life nicer or just raise it up to a higher level than everything that it does battle with in its competition. Let's start at the helm. This boat, much like a yacht, you've got a raised dash that houses two touchscreen MFDs. Those are multi-function displays that give you everything from GPS to sonar to your engine data right on your screen. Touch screen, everything you need to make it as easy as possible right from your chair. Of course, this boat's equipped with Power Assist Mercury steering. You've got digital controls from Mercury, and look at the push button switches. They're backlit LED. You've got a flush mount Fusion stereo with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. There's so many details about this boat, from all that you see at the dash to the hidden 12-volt outlets that bring this to another level. Of course, incredibly comfortable seats. The helm slides forward and back, and on the co-captain side, the chair actually rotates in addition to sliding, and a bolster that moves. That hides us right now from one of the very, very nice pieces this boat has in terms of its helm. There's sea deck in there, soft touch materials, stainless sink. Guys, if you have to be in a bathroom on a day boat, that's not a bad place to spend the day. Of course, we've got Fusion components all over this boat, including this one has a subwoofer. It's premium package. That'll be important in a moment. You've got a power top. There's some places around here where we struggle with bridge clearance or storage clearance. If you're in indoor storage, you just might need the ability to drop that top. Doing it at the touch of a button instead of you and 5 of your friends is incredible. It just is. Remember how I said that stereo would come in important? This boat's equipped. This little black outlet right here is an onboard battery charger. If you had a little too much fun at the sandbar and you got to put a little juice back in the batteries, the boat's already got you taken care of. Of course, cup holders everywhere, rear lounger that's as comfortable as anything in the game, and it's got cup holders on it, guys. It's got cell phone chargers back there. They think this through. And then finally, the back of this boat features that wide open swim platform. There is something about having a dual prop inboard outboard, from its handling ability around the docks to how smoothly and quickly it gets on plane, to that wide open rear swim platform that this boat has, that gives you just an incredible day on the water. Y'all, this is our 2019 280 SLX. And if you want to experience what I'm talking about, give us a call at Sarasota. Until next time.